Assalamualaikum. Hi, Shaima Sheikh this side. Good morning. Welcome to another video. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch till end. Please follow me on Instagram. Shaima Speaks is my Instagram handle. So today's topic is very different. But yes, once you watch this complete video, you will be getting a different knowledge. Even you will be getting one push. Even you will be getting motivated also. That how you can be the best. Okay. So today's topic is all about being how you can be the best. How you can be the best version of yourself on the daily basis. So I will continue this topic. I just request you watch till end this video. When I talk about being the best, so being the best is not just a saying, it's not just a thought. It's like you have to be the best from your mind first of all, because everything depends upon your mindset. Everything is depend upon your how you think for yourself, right? Because when you affirm it, when you have that thought that you are the best in your mind, then only you can deliver yourself, then only confidently you can be say that you are the best version of yourself. I will just give you a few examples. So the example is, I want to tell you, like whatever work you are doing on your daily basis, it can be you're doing your job, it can be you're doing your business, or you're a student, or you're practicing something. Okay, so be the expert of your industry, be the expert of your field. Okay, no matters what it is, no matters what challenges it is, be updated, be upgraded, be innovative, be learner, always be in a hunger of learning information and use as a knowledge into your life. Okay, and make that knowledge use as a power, so you can earn money and you get succeed into your life. So I wanted to tell you that it might be any field, be the best version. Why? I will explain you how it goes basically. So I was telling like why we should be the best version of ourselves. Okay. The reason is very simple. We all are human beings, right? We can't be best in everything. We can't be best at every point of time. Okay. Because there are multiple tasks which has been designed. There are multiple work which has to be performed, right? So being as a human being, it is not possible to be the best. Okay. But whatever you do at your level, you should be the best. The reason is, whenever you perform any work, any duty, you should break the track record. You should be that level of champion. You should be that level of expert that no one can beat you. No one can beat you. You should be expert in your particular work or particular domain that no one should able to compete you, or no one should, no one should break your record, to be honest. That's the reason you should be whatever you are doing into your life, be best into it. And how you can be best into it, like on a daily basis you can learn many different things, whatever work you perform it. Okay, it can be by reading books, it can be watching podcasts, it can be watching videos, it can be anything. Okay, because when you perform any work or any activity or any duty or any task, so that requires multiple work, that requires multiple segments, multiple things are being involved into that, multiple things are involved. Okay, because when you think that you wanted to become a best, every single day you will be learning a different thing. Different thoughts will be there into your mind, different way how you can process your work into a daily life. That can be a very different thing. So in your mindset there should be only one and one only attitude, that you are the best. When you are the best, when you think it from your mind, then only confidently you are able to perform it or able to implement it into your life. Okay, so this was the video. Okay, and stay tuned, stay connected on YouTube. Hope so, inshallah I will be active and I will be uploading daily videos on my daily YouTube channel. All the best, wish you success, good luck, Allah Hafiz.